Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Waking the Wolf Inside. My name's Jody, and first off, the way that I want to kind of start this off is, I want it to be really about tapping in, being successful as a person, loving yourself, and just like motivation, inspiration, all that good stuff. So I figured the best way to really start that would be talking about the laws of the universe. So if you didn't know, there are actually laws in the universe, just like you learn in science, right? The law of gravity is a law where things fall to the earth, right? So the same way that works every single time, there are laws of the universe that the universe works, and you can't go against them. You can't, swim upstream, so to say, and try to work against these laws, because you're basically working against the universe, and you're not really going to find success, happiness, joy, abundance if that's the path that you choose. So it's much easier to learn about the laws of the universe and then use them to your advantage and work with them. So the first law of the universe that we're going to talk about today is the law of vibration. And so many people kind of think of this and they think of the law of attraction, but the law of vibration is actually the primary law of the universe to the secondary law of attraction. The secondary law, which is the law of attraction. So the law of vibration states that everything in the universe vibrates. Nothing is at rest. Nothing is still. So again, if you take it back to science, when you measure temperature, you're literally measuring the average amount that molecules are moving. And just based on that simple fact that you learned in science, right? Years ago, whenever you were in a science classroom, the definition of temperature is the average kinetic energy of the molecules. So nothing rests. They literally teach you that in science, right? Nothing is resting. Everybody has some sort of temperature. Even if you go out into space and you go really, really far away where it's super cold, right? Even those molecules are moving. They might be moving slowly. They might be, really far apart and not really moving that much, but they're still moving. And so everything in the universe is energy. Everything vibrates at a certain frequency, and we can actually measure those frequencies. And so that's what the law of vibration is. So you take it a step further, right, and look at that secondary law, the law of attraction. You start to look at why things are attracted to you, why things attract each other. Now, you were probably taught in science that opposites attract, and that's actually not the way the universe works. The way that the universe works says that like things attract. When you vibrate at a certain frequency, you attract the same vibrations. Now, if you're thinking, well, that's not what they teach us at school, let me just tell you, they teach us a lot of things at school that are just not right. And I'm saying that as a teacher. So let me be the first to say, school does not always get it right. School does not necessarily want you to know these things because the education system is for the masses, right? And they don't want the masses to really be able to tap in to these spiritual laws, to be able to tap in to your abundance that is inside of you. Because think of how amazing everybody's life would be if they lived through abundance and joy and prosperity and lived with the laws of the universe. So with that being said, the law of attraction states that things that vibrate at the same frequency attract each other. So let me give you an example, okay? Have you ever had a terrible morning where you wake up and you just don't feel good and you end up spilling your coffee on yourself, and then you get out of the car and you hit yourself with the door, and then you go to work and things are just not going your way and it seems like you can't get out of it. Well, the reality is that when you woke up and you were feeling those, negative emotions, having those negative thoughts, you started to vibrate at a really low frequency. And so because of that, the universe is sending you and you are attracting those negative situations, those low vibrations and those low frequencies. So what we want to do, what we strive to do, right, is to vibrate at a high frequency so that way we can attract amazing high frequency events and feelings like love and gratefulness and joy, right? All of those feelings are very high vibrations, high frequencies. So when you feel those types of feelings, you're naturally going to vibrate higher. Now, you might be wondering, how do I do that? Right? So the easiest way to kind of tap into those vibrations is to think of the TEAR method, TEAR, right? So what that stands for is your thoughts control your emotions control your actions, and your actions control your results. So your thoughts are literally the beginning of those frequencies and those vibrations. Your thoughts control your emotions, right? If you wake up and you're like, oh, I'm so tired, this is going to be a terrible day. Well, your brain and the universe is actually going to give you, facts and reasons of why you're right. So whatever you vibrate at, the universe is going to say, you're right. So if you think the day is going to be horrible, the universe is like, yeah, you're right. Here, I'll show you. Or if you think, it's a beautiful day, it's going to be amazing, all these opportunities are going to come my way, then the universe is going to send you things that reinforce those thoughts and those emotions. So your thoughts control your emotions. The second one is that your emotions control your actions. Now, think about it this way. If you're in a cruddy mood, you spilled coffee on yourself and you walk into work, you're probably not going to be super nice to the secretary or whoever it is that's greeting you at the door, right? Your emotions, those negative emotions, are now going to come out and manifest into your actions and the way that you respond and react and treat people. And then those actions, right, the last part, those actions are going to cause your results. So those actions of maybe snapping at somebody, reacting when they said something, even though it was probably just because of your bad mood, right, are now going to give you results that you probably also don't want. So what you need to do is start your day on a positive note. Start your day full of gratitude. Wake up, thank the universe, God, Allah, Yahweh, whoever it is you believe in, whatever it is you believe in. Thank the universe for waking you up another day, because if you woke up, the universe is not finished with you. You are not done with what you need to accomplish on this plane, in this world, right? So wake up and feel gratitude for being here, having another day, having that opportunity to practice working with the universe and becoming the best version of yourself. Okay, and just be grateful. If you woke up in a bed with a pillow, be grateful. If you have a roof over your head, be grateful. If you have food on the table, be grateful, because there are so many people in this world that don't have all of those things, that don't have, the luxury of a home or food whenever they need it, or clean water when they need to drink, right? Not everybody has a roof over their head or a comfy bed to sleep in. So be grateful for all the things that you already have in life. And start your day off there, because that means automatically you're going to be starting your day off with positive thoughts, high vibrating thoughts, high frequencies that are naturally going to attract good things into your life. And when you start off with a grateful heart, you're going to feel that gratitude deep inside, and you're going to vibrate at that high frequency to be able to attract all the things that you want out of life. So I hope this was helpful. I hope that, you really kind of understand the law of vibration and the law of attraction now. It's so amazing to really watch people be able to change their energy and change their vibrations to be able to attract the things that they want, right? If you want that luxury home, if you want that luxury car, all of those things vibrate at a certain frequency. Money vibrates at a certain frequency. So to be able to attract all the things that you want in your life, you have to learn to vibrate at the frequency that they vibrate on. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments what really stuck with you. What was your golden nugget? Like it, comment, subscribe, give me all the goods, tell me what you think, and I hope you tune in tomorrow for the next Law of the Universe. Bye, guys.